In the lightly wooded areas in the interior region of Australia lives one of the most familiar of all Australian parrots, the cockatiel. Second only to the budgie in popularity as a cage bird, cockatiels take advantage of man-altered habitats. While foraging on the ground, cockatiels can easily go undetected. Males and females have dramatically different plumages. Males can easily be told from females by their yellow faces and bright orange cheek patches. This pair has chosen a location with a view overlooking an outback river. In the heat of the day, the male stays vigilant, as his nearly grown chicks are close by in a nest hollow. Seeing such a familiar cage bird flying wild and free in its native Australia is an unforgettable experience.